Hook. Visual. Fast-paced montage of stock market tickers. People checking phones. Headlines about 2026 market predictions. Hey there! Wondering what the stock market might look like in 2026? Whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about where things are headed, understanding stock market trends can feel like trying to predict the weather. Tricky, but super important. Today, we're breaking down what experts expect for the stock market in 2026, in a way that's easy to grasp. So grab a coffee, and let's dive in. Introduction to stock market trends. Visual. Simple animated graph showing market ups and downs over recent years. First off, what exactly do we mean by stock market trends? Think of the stock market like a giant ocean. Sometimes the waves are calm and the market slowly rises. Other times there are big storms causing sudden drops. Trends are basically the general direction the market is heading over a period. Up, down, or sideways. Understanding these trends helps investors decide when to buy, hold, or sell stocks. But here's the catch. No one can predict the market perfectly. Instead, we look at patterns, economic signals, and big picture shifts to make educated guesses. Key trend 1: Technology and innovation leading the way. Visual. Footage of AI robots, renewable energy tech, and digital devices. One big trend expected to shape 2026 is the continued dominance of technology and innovation. Think artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and biotech breakthroughs. Companies leading in these fields are likely to drive market growth. Why? Because technology keeps changing how we live and work, creating new opportunities and industries. Investors who spot these innovators early often see big rewards. So, keeping an eye on tech trends is a smart move for 2026. Key trend 2: The rise of sustainable investing. Visual. Green energy plants. Investors discussing ESG reports. Charts showing growth in sustainable funds. Next up is sustainable investing, sometimes called ESG investing. That's environmental, social, and governance. More investors want their money to do good, not just make money. This means companies that are environmentally friendly, treat workers well, and have strong leadership are gaining attention. By 2026, expect more funds and portfolios focused on sustainability. This trend isn't just about ethics. It's about long-term growth, as companies ignoring these issues may face risks or lose customers. Key trend 3: Market volatility and economic uncertainty. Visual. News headlines about inflation, interest rate charts, worried investors. Now, not all trends are about growth. Experts also warn that market volatility, or ups and downs, could be more common in the coming years. Why? Factors like inflation, changing interest rates, and global events can shake investor confidence. Volatility can be scary, but it also creates opportunities if you're prepared. Diversifying your investments and having a long-term plan helps ride out the bumps. Key trend 4: Emerging markets gaining momentum. Visual. Maps highlighting countries like India, Brazil, and Southeast Asia with growing stock exchanges. Another trend to watch is the rise of emerging markets. Countries like India, Brazil, and parts of Southeast Asia are growing fast and opening up new investment opportunities. Investing in these markets can add diversity to your portfolio and tap into growth that's happening outside the usual US and European markets. But remember, emerging markets can be riskier, so it's all about balancing potential rewards with caution. Key takeaways. Visual. Bullet points appearing on screen. each with a simple icon. Alright, let's recap the big points you want to remember about stock market trends in 2026. 1. Technology and innovation will continue to drive market growth. Keep an eye on AI, renewable energy, and biotech. 2. Sustainable investing is more than a trend. It's becoming mainstream and could impact which companies thrive. 3. Expect some market volatility due to economic uncertainties. Stay diversified and think long term. 4. Emerging markets offer exciting growth opportunities but come with higher risks. 5. No one can predict the market perfectly, so staying informed and flexible is key. Call to action. Visual. Friendly host pointing to screen with text. Subscribe for more finance tips. And clickable subscribe button. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on future updates about investing and the market. And hey, if you have questions or want me to cover a specific topic next, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Remember, investing is a journey, and understanding trends is just one step. Stay curious, stay patient, and keep learning. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. End.